Proposal for turnkey project, biodiesel plant, and how much does it cost to produce biodiesel? The entire environment is in hazardous pollution, and to contribute in reducing the carbon dioxide emission, only one source, that is biodiesel. Biodiesel is the need of the hour, biodiesel which has enormous growth potential in fuel industries. Go Green Bioenergy India is a leading biodiesel industry in India having immense experience in elevating advanced technology biodiesel plants ranging from 5 tons per day to 500 tons per day. Go Green Bioenergy India is adopted the most advanced technology from Israel Technology, promoting turnkey projects on biodiesel plants which is most effective, low cost with huge earnings. Highlights of the project. Continues raw material supply. Agreement for buyback of biodiesel. We pay buyback of biodiesel price net margin 50 paise to 3.0 rupees depend up on the 5 models. 1. Startup. 2. Pioneering. 3. Growth. 4. Maturity. 5. Saturation as per the model installed by the client. Buyback price will be fixed and production cost 4 rupees to 7 rupees depend upon low FFA, free fatty acid oil, to high FFA, free fatty acid oil, based on quality output. Crude biodiesel to be 100 as per European standards, price will be fixed. Advanced technology plant, which is adopted from Israel. Capacity ranging from 5 TPD to 500 TPD. Multi-feedstock production. We intend to be present in Pan-India. The company will invest 50% of the project cost for 100 TPD and above on a joint venture basis. By joining hands with Go Green Bioenergy, your company will be front runners in adopting the latest technology in the industry, and there will be inclusivity of manufacturing, export, financial growth, and exposure to overseas business. The company is planning to set up 2,500 TPD biodiesel plants across India. Protecting and handling confidential information. The security and confidentiality of confidential information of the client's utmost importance to the company. The company accountability protecting confidential information, including the receipt and handling of the confidential information of third parties. Recently, we have updated company policy in terms and conditions. Go Green Bioenergy India KYC policy after 2019 will not share any client's information data like client's location, visiting on production plant place and locations, and any client's or consumer plant technical data informations. Thank you for understanding policy terms for better service to maintain client database, company confidential information, and NDA of the clients. When you use company platform services, you are trusting us with your information. We understand this is a big responsibility and work hard to protect your information and put ecosystem in control. For more details, please do contact our number. Go Green Bioenergy India Private Limited. Email info@gogreenbioenergy.com. Toll-free number 1-800-10-3250. Contact phone number +9 1-8047277750. For plant pricing, quotation of a project, and other details, please visit www.gogreenbioenergy.com and www.gogreenfill.in. Click to access the quotation for biodiesel plant setup, and other documents and links are listed in the description menu.